15th question, children. A vertical pole of length 6 meters casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow of 28-meter length. Then you have to find the height of the tower. Okay, so we'll make two figures, one showing the pole. This is AB is representing a pole which is of length 6 meters and its shadow हमेशा ground पे बनती है, तो ये horizontal पे. Okay, you'll draw a horizontal line here and this we will term as its shadow. And shadow at a particular time, what happens is, children, the angle of elevation of sun will remain the same. If I say at a, जैसे उसने बोला at the same time, so whenever they say time at the same time, we consider the elevation of the sun, this rotation. Okay, sun ऐसे move करता है horizon में from here. This is how the sun would move. Okay, so ये rotation किसी भी time में वो कितना lift हुआ है, कितना elevate हो गया है sun, that remains the same. So in both the figures, this angle, because we are talking about the same time, this angle elevation of the sun, this is termed, is going to be equal. These two angles will be equal. Okay, and also this angle between the vertical and the horizontal is always a right angle. Okay, तो कोई भी figure है, be it a pole, be it a building, वो vertical होगी, shadow will be on the ground means horizontal होगी, so this angle is 90. So we are having two similar triangles by AA criteria. Okay, 90 each and theta also same elevation of the sun. Okay, so ऐसे आप two figures बना लोगे, one showing the vertical pole and its shadow given to you as 4. In the other one, we did not know the height. Suppose h is the height of the tower. The shadow's length is given to us as 28 meters. Okay, so we would say, like, let ABC represent a triangle in which AB is the pole and BC is its shadow, and another triangle we have considered PQR, saying that PQ is the tower of the height h, suppose, and QR will be its shadow. Then these two triangles will come out to be similar. Okay, see it this way. So by AA criteria, these two triangles are coming out to be similar. Why? I've told you 90 and Q is the altitude of the sun. बोल रहा है what? You would say angle C is equal to angle R, elevation of the sun at the same time. That is what your reasoning will be if you want to show them similar. Okay, now when the sides are, when the triangles, are similar, then their sides are in proportion. तो हमारे ये दो triangles हमने जैसे similar कहे, तो इनकी sides AB will be proportional to PQ, next BC will be proportional to QR, and AC will be proportional to PR. Okay, so out of this we knew already AB, which was given to us as 6. AB was 6, yes. All right, so they have changed. You can drop this hypotenuse one side. Okay, this AC and PR have nothing to do with our question, so that proportion we can leave, AC and PR1. Okay, so for the other two, we can write here that 6 upon 4 लिखो या 6 upon h is equal to 28 upon 4. It's up to you how you want to write the proportion. Okay, so 6, that is the height of the tower, will be proportional to h, height of the the height of the pole will be proportional to height of the tower, and then the shadows will also be proportional. So iska shadow 4 tha, will be proportional to 28. Okay, so from here h will be 28 taken this side, 4 here, so 7 6 are 42. The height of the tower can be taken out like this. Now the last question there, children. If AD, PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where the triangles are given similar, you have to prove that AB upon PQ, so that is AB side proportional to PQ of the other, will be in proportion with median AD of the first and PM of the other will also be proportional. Okay, so just now earlier we had done question number 12. In that, sides were proportional to median, and then you had to show the triangles similar. This is the other way around now. You have been given the triangles are similar, and now you have to show that median will be proportional. This can be used as theorem also, maybe elsewhere. Okay, that for two similar triangles, it's not only the sides which are in proportion, but also their medians are proportional. All right, so you can use this as a fact also somewhere, and the proof is not going to be difficult. It's just the other way around you have to go, what we have done in question number 12. So in this case, we were given the triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are all equal. Hence, angle B of the first triangle will be equal to angle Q of the second, is what we are saying. All right, also the sides are in proportion. For similar triangles, we know that AB upon PQ will be proportional to BC upon QR, because the triangles were similar. So the all angles will be equal, but we were interested in this angle. Remember, अगर आपको 12th question याद है तो हम ये included angle की help से ही proof करेंगे, because उसमें भी हमने यही किया था, right? Okay, so we are just interested in that angle. हमने उतना ही quote किया. Actually all angles are equal, and proportion में भी we have included side ले ले रहे हैं हम. Okay, AB and BC are in question. So this proportion and this equality because of the similarity of the given triangles. And now again, अगर ये median है, D and M are midpoints, so again आप BC को क्या लिख सकते हो? BC का half will be BD. So if you take half of these ratios, then half of BC can be replaced by BD and half of QR will become QM. Okay, now you come to the small triangles. Okay, now when we come to the small triangles, that is ABD triangle and PQM. So in these two triangles, ये तो already given था that AB is proportional to PQ, and this we have just now proved. BD and QM were also proportional, and this we have, this equality we get from the fact that the triangles were given similar. So इनका included angle भी equal आ रहा है. तो SAS criteria fulfill हो गया for the smaller triangles to be similar. So the smaller two triangles are also similar by SAS, and if these two triangles are similar, their remaining sides will also be in proportion. So your AB upon PQ will also become proportional to the median of the big triangle, or the third side of this triangle, that is AD upon PM. Okay.